Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna try something a little bit different in my journey to learning everything. Basically, sculpting. Kind of a huge thing in Blender, but I've never really taken the time to learn it myself, and I'm excited to. I listened to a few friends on Discord, and they said I need a tablet, so I bought this. I hope it's a good one, but I just wanted one with the screen, and this was at the top of Amazon. So anyways, I'm gonna figure out how to hook up this tablet. I'll unbox it. I don't think that's important for the video, but I'll do it. And then if it's not entertaining, I guess I'll cut it out. Anyways, I'm gonna unbox this thing, which I could kind of do right now. And, oh, I ripped the box. Oh my gosh, I couldn't be an unboxing channel. All right, well, I got this tablet. I wanna learn how to sculpt, like, pretty good in Blender. And then I also want to learn, bro, how do you do this? What the heck? Are you good? Like, this is, guys, are you supposed to rip the box? You couldn't. You're definitely not supposed to rip the box. Okay. All right, well, we're not gonna start a row unboxing channel anytime soon. Not too graceful at this. Got it. This box is empty. Now we have more boxes. Anyways, I got this tablet. I want to learn sculpting, of course. That is my main focus. And then I want to learn a little bit of art stuff. Not really to draw, you know, anything like that, but just textures and hand-painted textures. I really do want to just level up my whole, like, everything. Like, when people see some row builder work, right now, the consensus is, hey, he's all right. You know, nothing too great, nothing super horrible, but I want that to just be leveled up a little bit. And I also want to be able to teach you guys more, so I am very excited. Set this up, learn sculpting, which will be another thing I can teach you guys later on. Definitely not right now, because I'm still learning. And hopefully some hand-painted textures. All right, guys, I have successfully set up this tablet for at least I can see my screen. There's also some stuff that it just doesn't make sense. So right now my screen is set to extend. So if I drag Blender down, it goes onto the tablet, okay? But then you guys can't see it. But if I make my screen to the other one, like duplicate, you can't. Because I have an ultra-wide monitor and then this as the other screen. So I have no idea. I have no idea what this, what the next step is. I'm so lost. But we're gonna figure it out. But for now, oh God. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm sitting and I have the best I can do for now. So it's not on my big screen. It's just on this tablet down here. And I feel like I'm just gonna be looking down. So like, look, this is how I would look. And I feel like I feel like just looking like this, I mean, I don't know why my webcam would be on. So we'll probably turn it off for this video. I don't know. Anyways, I have this little pencil and I have Blender, so I'm gonna try to work on this. And yes, this side of the screen is cut off for you guys because just the resolution difference. I don't know how to fix it, so that's all I got for now. If anyone has any ideas how to fix this, let your boy know. Hit me up on Discord. Anyways, we're gonna do our second or third ever sculpt right now. First ever one with this tablet, and just see where we end up. I gotta be honest, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I don't know why, like, the bottom is real smooth and the top is not. Like, there's a lot that I just don't know what is going on here, but it is pretty cool. Definitely have a super lot to learn, and I don't exactly know what I'm making here. It's pretty silly, I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, there we go. That smoothened things out. Now, for the people who can actually sculpt already, please, constructive criticism. I'd appreciate that. But for now, your boy's chilling. I also feel like last time I was sculpting, things worked a little differently. For example, the crease brush. I feel like it just did its job a lot better. And I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or there's settings I need to adjust. I couldn't tell you. I think I've played around enough. I'm gonna go ahead and try to actually make something. Do I know what I'm doing? No, not at all. But we're gonna try. definitely need to give myself just a little bit of time and go through and watch pretty much a tutorial on each of these brushes. I find myself clicking a bunch of different brushes that seem to do the same thing sometimes, and definitely could be doing a lot better than I am currently. But like right here, you know, I just don't know the best brush to use for certain things. So some things I just do definitely wrong. And I would imagine that's quite a bit on this video. But I do just want to keep getting better and better at everything that has to do with 3D modeling. Definitely want to learn texturing. And then just everything, man. I just want to learn everything. I'm trying to add a little bit of detail around where those connect on the head and the body. And obviously, this thing looks quite scuffed. I don't know how to get things back to nice and smooth. Ooh, this one seems to do it. The clay. All right. I think this guy's looking pretty cool. I don't have any idea where to go from here. I don't know how to do any of this. I don't know how I would go about texturing it or optimizing it, making its topology better. Literally anything. There's so much I have to learn. But I did think it would be a fun video to go ahead and just try out this tablet and kind of see where we're at. I want teeth, so I'm gonna get the snake hook and we're gonna make it pretty small. Let's do 20 and we're just gonna try this. I mean, yeah, but no. I'm gonna go ahead and smooth up all of these eyebrows and stuff. I know a little earlier I said I don't know how to smooth, but a tool called smooth, I mean, that makes some sense. Alright guys, so I don't exactly know what we did today, but I think it's kind of somewhat cool. In a weird way. We definitely have a lot more to learn, and I'm very excited to go on this adventure. But I think for today, we're gonna wrap it up. I am gonna go ahead and add some eyeballs in the eye sockets though, and I'm gonna do that with my mouse just because I feel like it'd be a lot easier. Oh yeah, I flipped it so weird as well. This thing definitely looked a lot better on the sculpting page, so we're gonna go back to that and then flip it back around. All right, yeah, I scuffed it somehow. I think the Shade Smooth, yeah, Shade Smooth kind of messed it up, I think. But now it looks goofy too. Anyways, guys, I do think that is going to wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy and you want to see more content like this, we're going to hold off on sculpting stuff until I kind of learn what I'm doing. This was just sort of a teaser video saying, hey, I am practicing, but make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.